A new day and age in planning has emerged. It seems like only yesterday we brought you new equipment to raise planter performance to heights never imagined. Now, imagine everything we didn't bring you. And we bet many of those features you just thought of are here today. Introducing all new planter solutions from John Deere. From cab to closing wheel, we've enhanced all facets of our lineup. Like offering exact emerge row units for the first time ever on our popular 1725 CCS, 16-row 30 model, and select models of our highly productive DB series. Not to mention the DB series now comes equipped with our standard new Max Emerge 5-row unit, if you prefer. Have a need for speed, but no need for a new planter? That's fine. If you own certain models of our 2011 or newer John Deere planters, you can now add the new Exact Emerge Retrofit Kit and get all of the superior agronomic advantages on your current bar. We're talking the industry-exclusive brush belt delivery system, high-performance vacuum meter, redesigned double eliminator, dual electric motors, and more. It's all there, ready to give you true yield maximizing benefits to help achieve even emergence, correct plant population, uniform spacing, and improved productivity within the optimum window. That goes for corn growers, soybean farmers, and now, for the first time, we've built new crop plates to bring Exact Emerge to the cotton, sugar beets, and popcorn markets. That's just the start. We'll add more crops in the near future. Of course, there's more to having a successful planting season than the row unit. There are other considerations, such as navigating around tight turns and managing the appropriate weight. That's where two all-new features come in: curve compensation and frame weight distribution. Curve compensation lets you maintain population on curved rows, from the inside row all the way to the outside. Trust us, if you have a larger planter, this was built with you in mind. As for frame weight distribution, it's available on our widely popular 24-row 1775 NT CCS machine. Frame weight distribution spreads the weight more evenly across the planter to take weight off the center frame tires, helping to avoid pinched rows that can negatively impact your yield potential. A definite plus in high moisture soil conditions. Like what you've seen so far? Well, there's more. Announcing new vacuum automation. Monitoring and making adjustments to vacuum levels is a thing of the past. You get precise and continuous seed placement without having to constantly check. That's a whole new level of confidence. Speaking of confidence, wouldn't you feel better knowing your row cleaners are adjusted properly at all times, particularly in heavy crop residue? Now you can. New Easy Adjust unit mounted row cleaners take adjustment time from minutes down to seconds, and it's controlled from the convenience of your cab using 3 quick and easy presets on your 2630 display. Even greater productivity can be found with the new fertilizer and granular chemical system, which allows you to apply one or both products in furrow, all while planting. You can deliver as little as 3 and as much as 8 gallons per acre based on your field conditions or preference. Put it all together, and what you have is not just a better portfolio of planter options, but arguably the best. More precise, more productive, more potential in your field. It's all new planting equipment from John Deere. Nothing runs like a Deere.
Good things come to those who wait. Meet the new 9RX Series tractor from John Deere. The perfect combination of power, technology, and agility wrapped up in a 4-track. The new 9RX is about innovation, not imitation. And it starts with the right balance of power and performance, made smarter by the latest technology. With models from 470 to 620 engine horsepower, proven final Tier 4 engine technology, and a hydraulic flow of 115 gallons per minute. The 9RX is built to cover large acres and pull big implements with accuracy and efficiency, helping you extend your window and improve yield potential and profitability pass after pass. The 9RX uses a positive drive undercarriage system to effectively transfer the engine power, allowing you to maintain traction in a turn and under load. The robust design of the drivetrain and undercarriage is unique to the 9RX. How robust and how unique? The upswept axle component is the largest cast part poured in the nation. It also provides the ability to have a larger drive wheel, increasing reliability and putting more power to the ground. The 9RX's exclusive track design adds to its superior performance. The mid-rollers keep the track belts in contact with the terrain over the entire length of the undercarriage. The spacing of the mid-rollers also helps prevent vibration during transport and in the field. The front idler is raised slightly higher than the two mid-rollers, allowing the tractor to climb over obstacles while maintaining maximum ground contact and optimal weight distribution. The larger articulated footprint allows for additional traction and more flotation, resulting in decreased berming in turns and reduced soil disturbance during seeding applications, helping to improve your yield potential. Better mud and debris rejection at the drive wheel also means you won't have to interrupt your day to perform a cleanout, while a higher track tension resists derailing, and 6 wide drive lugs engage the large drive wheel for a reliable transfer of power, while an allowance for more recoil prevents component damage. And unlike other track designs, the 9RX doesn't require daily oil inspections, contributing to increased uptime. There's power, and then there's responsive power. The 9RX E18 transmission with Efficiency Manager responds quickly to any field condition to actively improve the tractor's performance, especially in wet and loose soil and on hills and slopes. It automatically shifts up and throttles back to reduce total fluid consumption and maintain optimum power and better traction. It also improves your operator experience, making it more enjoyable and less jarring. Contributing to the ride quality is the 9RX's cab suspension system, which isolates the entire cab from harsh conditions and terrain, taking the brunt of it so you don't. The entire system is fully automatic and requires no adjustment from the operator, which means you can work your fields longer while the window is open, with less stress and fatigue. In addition to the suspension, the 9RX's Command View 3 cab has outstanding visibility wherever you look. The 40-degree right-hand seat swivel gives you an improved view of your implement. An integrated refrigerator option, premium sound system, and Bluetooth capability make this cab even more inviting. Technology on the 9RX is not an afterthought. It's integrated. Every 9RX comes JD Link Connect and AutoTrack ready. Subscribe to JD Link and you can stay informed on machine location and hours, while protecting your assets with geofence and curfew alerts. Track and analyze fuel usage and much more. Then automatically transfer your as-applied maps to the My John Deere Operations Center with wireless data transfer. From the command arm with the 4600 Command Center display, you can easily monitor and control all the major tractor functions. Control and adjust hydraulic, hitch preferences, display and transmission settings, radio, lights, field crews, and iTech functions. Increase field efficiency, reduce inputs by 10%, and lower the cost of automatic guidance by running AutoTrack from the integrated 10-inch touchscreen Command Center display. Better still, because John Deere implements and tools are designed to integrate seamlessly, they work together to bring more precision, convenience, and uptime to your operation. Best of all, it's supported by the same John Deere dealer. With the addition of the new John Deere 9RX to the 9 family of tractors, the right tractor is waiting for you at your John Deere dealer. Test drive the new 9RX today. Nothing runs like a Deere.
A long weekend is just an excuse to get a long way from boring. With models up to 62 horsepower, or room for 4. Go rugged. Go big. Go Gator.
Everyone can use some guidance, and with AutoTrack, you get a clear path to improving your bottom line. You'll have no problem finding the best path to profits, day or night, when you add AutoTrack to your machine. Studies show that automatic guidance pays for itself in 2 years by reducing input costs. It helps you eliminate skips and overlaps, which means fewer trips across the field, less compaction, and reduced fuel and input costs. Just press a button and let AutoTrack take over the steering. With AutoTrack, you can focus on machine functions, improving the quality of your work. At the end of the day, you'll be less tired. You can also take advantage of AutoTrack on older machines and some competitive models. And with Machine Sync, you can run multiple machines in the same field. Coverage map sharing and guidance line sharing improves planting, seeding, spraying, and nutrient application. Call your dealer today and ask for a demo. You'll feel the difference immediately, but you'll also see the difference in your bottom line at the end of the year. And that's advice it pays to listen to.
This isn't your average tillage pass. Introducing the new 2630 series discs and vertical tillage from John Deere. These versatile new tandem disc models can be easily customized to meet your field's unique needs, offering groundbreaking control from start to finish. With the new 2630 series discs featuring TrueSet technology, you'll never have to settle for leaving yield in the field again. TrueSet allows you to control disc depth and basket down pressure right from the cab. A job that used to take up to 10 minutes can now be done in as few as 6 seconds. Dealing with rough or rocky fields? Look no further. With a wide range of disc and frame options and a knife edge rolling basket, the durable 2630 series discs can power through even the toughest field conditions, letting you create the best possible seed bed every time. With aggressive gang angles of 21 degrees in the front and 19 degrees in the rear, paired with radial tires available across the entire machine, you can cover up to 418 acres in a 10-hour day, leaving a smooth, level seed bed that's perfect for planting. And the new extended life bearings provide greater durability and reliability with the ability to customize bearing maintenance based on soil and tillage conditions. Choose from 3 different models designed to handle light to heavy-duty applications. Or check out the new 2633 VT, available in 5 different widths to fit your fields. It delivers aggressive sizing and chopping ability in tough residue in fall, helping to create the perfect seed bed in spring. Every field is unique. The 2630 series discs and vertical tillage from John Deere put control back into your hands. Nothing runs like a Deere.
The closer you get to home, the more you know the commute is worth it. Your land is more than just what your house sits on. It's your freedom, your pride, and you get to call it home every day. You and that John Deere tractor. So versatile in so many implements, you can keep dreaming up things to do all the way home. It's a longer drive, but just like a John Deere, it's worth it. Nothing runs like a Deere.
At John Deere, we've continued to push the boundaries so that we can offer growers as many profit-generating options as possible. But to get to that truly next level of performance, we took a giant leap to ensure that you get higher levels of yield and productivity. Let's take a closer look at what separates the game-changing ExactEmerge from other planter row units. As you can see, there's no seed tube. Know what else you don't see? Seed rolling in the trench. We replaced the seed tube with a new delivery cartridge, the heart of this revolutionary planter technology. Inside, you'll find the brush belt, which delivers seed directly into the trench on a dead drop, with no roll at up to 10 miles per hour. Each seed is carried by the brush belt, but not before passing by our all-new seed sensor. Think of it as another set of eyes where you need them most. Population, singulation, spacing information. It's all gathered at the sensor. Every precious seed is carefully spaced and carefully placed. The new bowl-shaped disc singulates your seed, while the concave shape allows the brush to grab each one effortlessly. Watch how these paddles push seed into the center of the brush belt so you can feel confident knowing there's a secure handoff every time. And thanks to the improved brush style double eliminator, only one seed rests in each hole before the disc hands it over to the brush belt. This allows you to enjoy the highest possible singulation. Of course, this high-efficiency meter system wouldn't be complete without a superior vacuum. That ensures the disc holds the seed tightly before it's passed on. Check out the new hopper design that helps you get the most of your seed pool by maintaining target seed population on slopes of up to 15 degrees in any direction. But there's more. 2 independent electric motors keep ExactEmerge running smoothly. One that rotates the meter, the other turns the brush belt. This gives you the speed matching delivery and population only ExactEmerge can offer. Not enough? How about the fact we've made active pneumatic downforce standard on this planter? And when paired with the new brush belt delivery, you get optimal depth for maximum yield at 10 miles per hour. Just set the downforce margin you want and run confidently. It's that simple. Finally, a planter with no trade-off between speed and accuracy. A planter that buries the myth of only planting at 5 miles per hour. A planter that marries precise seed placement and productivity. It's the all-new ExactEmerge row unit from John Deere. Accurate at 10 miles per hour. Exactly.
John Deere is committed to bringing you the technology you need. Whether you're turning residue into an asset, breaking up yield-robbing compaction, or creating that perfect seed bed, your time is valuable, and John Deere knows that. TrueSet tillage technology, exclusively from John Deere, makes it fast and easy to adjust depth and pressure right from the cab. A job that can take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes depending on the tool can now be done in just 6 seconds using only your fingertips, lowering costs and letting you cover more acres in a day. TrueSet lets you make depth adjustments within 1/10 of an inch accuracy and basket down pressure adjustments from 0 to 900 psi. This is not set it and forget it tillage. This is precision tillage for each unique acre in your field, maximizing what one tool can do. Not all fields are consistent in soil type, topography, residue, or compaction, so why treat the whole field the same? You can use the preset buttons to store predetermined implement settings for those different areas in a field or differences between fields. One button push makes all the changes to the tool. TrueSet even enables variable depth and rolling basket pressure prescriptions. TrueSet also lets you easily map tillage depth, speed, and rolling basket down pressure, which can be overlaid with other data layers to make better agronomic decisions. TrueSet is available on a growing range of models, including 2730 combination ripper, 2720 disc ripper, 2230 field cultivators, 2330 mulch finisher, 2600 series discs and vertical tillage, 2510H nutrient applicators. John Deere leads the industry in technology, helping you get the most out of your tillage pass, and supported by the best-in-class dealer organization in the industry. Never settle for leaving yield in the field again with TrueSet from John Deere.
The results we've seen out of the ExactEmerge planter really impressed us all the way from when we started planting at 5 mile an hour, what we were used to 7 to 10 and above. As far as the results coming out of the field, we had the same placement, and the stand was just incredible.
Take away the speed, the spacing of the planter, and the emergence is just unheard of. I've never had such spacings and emergence as I ever had this year with corn or soybeans.
What is nice about the metering system that we had on the planters in the past was very accurate at the meter. With this new planter, we're going to have positive placement seed at the ground, so we end up with much better accuracy of our spacing, our stands, and allows us to travel at much faster speed so we get more production per day.
The spacing of the planter and the emergence is by far exceeded my expectations. And not to mention the speed as a bonus, that if the planting window narrows, if it's getting ready to rain, big clouds come up northwest, I can speed the planter up and get things done within the optimum window of when I need to. There's many advantages to the planter, not just one.
With the electric drive and then that belt, being able to take that guesswork we've had in a planter for years, this planter is definitely a revolutionary thing to the planting industry. I think the biggest thing the ExactEmerge planter is going to do for the planting industry is it's going to help everybody on the productivity, getting more acres done per day, but also with having it so precise, we're also going to be able to increase our yields and things like that as well.
Rise and shine, growers. Today is a new day, but not a new day in planting. The day was 2 years ago when we introduced the true next generation of planters. Since then, ExactEmerge has been in the field, raising the bar on uniform emergence, plant population, near infinite spacing possibilities, and of course, blowing through tight planting windows at an industry best 10 miles per hour. With one singular brand that offers total integration from the tractor cab to the planter. You won't find any other supplier's components in the operator station, and certainly no one else's delivery system on our row unit. We should mention it's been third-party tested by some of the leading research institutions in the country. More importantly, it's been farmer approved. All the game-changing technology you'll ever need is right here, with even more solutions waiting in the wing. This is a new day in productivity. This is performance that pays. This is ExactEmerge.
It's go time at John Deere. When the planting windows are short and the days are long, you have to make every moment count to plant for success. John Deere introduces several additional enhancements to boost your productive time from your ExactEmerge or MaxEmerge 5E planters. One is as easy as using your cell phone or mobile device with an advancement we call Mobile Row Unit Runoff. You can make the proper adjustments for each seed variety you plant before going to the field, all enabled through the Planter Plus app. Not only that, Mobile Row Unit Runoff also lets you quickly troubleshoot and resolve any planter row unit performance issues. Through the Planter Plus app, you can easily adjust vacuum pressure levels, saving you valuable time making trips to and from the cab. Now let's look at a different screen. Have you ever wanted to view more than one planter bar chart at once? With SeedStar 4HP monitoring system, now get multiple views and configurations in one simple overview page to fit your preferences. Just set it up to what works best for you, rather than opening several applications. If you need more information on a particular row that may not be performing as well as the others, just touch the bar chart and zoom into that row for detailed information for that specific row. And thanks to our next enhancement called Settings Manager, you can save your planter and tractor settings for each crop, condition, and management practice, and quickly recall them all later. You can use these presets to greatly save time configuring your planter for your conditions. By using Settings Manager, you can set rates, downforce, row cleaners, alarm preferences, as well as your tractor settings. Just set it once, and it's there for next time. And finally, there's now an easy way to fold and unfold your planter right from your monitor. Just enable from the display and operate the fold and hitch functions from one SCV switch. Our new Easy Fold feature automatically takes care of the rest. Perfect for inexperienced operators too. You'll find all these enhancements in select models of ExactEmerge or MaxEmerge 5E planters, all designed to boost your productivity and help you plant for success. Ask your John Deere dealer for details. That's performance that pays.
This is the John Deere 6R. A tractor made to take on the toughest utility, livestock, and row crop chores you've got. Lift up to 5,300 pounds. Clean the dirtiest stalls and conquer the biggest gravel piles. Pull a loaded planter or drill and take on overgrown pastures. With the 6R, you can take command of your day.
The 6R Series tractors now have a Final Tier 4 John Deere PowerTech engine, ranging from 110 to 215 horsepower. And when you need even more power than that, the 6R engine features intelligent power management system that gives you a boost of up to 40 horsepower to tackle the most challenging conditions. Besides the performance you've come to expect in the John Deere R-Series tractors, you'll find best-in-class uptime and low cost of operation. Since you work in all kinds of conditions, the 6R features a cab that will keep you comfortable no matter what chore you're doing or what Mother Nature throws your way. You'll see some familiar-looking controls. They're just like those found in the larger John Deere row crop and four-wheel drive tractors. And just like the larger tractors, you can monitor performance and control functions through the command center with the standard 7-inch display or the optional 10-inch display, both with video input and auto track capabilities. With user-friendly controls, more comfort features, and more visibility, the 6R will make the longest days feel shorter. You can even up the comfort by adding Hydraulic Cab Suspension Plus. When paired with triple link suspension, it automatically adjusts for load changes and braking forces for the smoothest ride in every application. For those of you who back frequently or use a rear implement, you'll love the command arm configured cabs, which have 30 degrees of right-hand seat swivel for greater rear visibility. Nighttime visibility has also been improved. The clean white light of LEDs provide better nighttime visibility. With a 40% greater coverage area than halogen lights, operators can see more and do more. One more visibility enhancement includes the new wide-angle mirrors. These mirrors are available on Premium and Premium Plus cabs and improve visibility around larger implements.
We know that operators want to maximize the time their tractors in the field. The 6R can do that. We've made performing routine maintenance easier and less time-consuming. The newly redesigned hood latch makes access to the engine compartment more convenient, even with a loader. You'll also spend more time between oil changes. The new 6R oil change interval has been increased from 500 hours to 750. If you need help setting up or making adjustments to your tractor, JD Link helps you report and resolve problems while you stay on the job. With these powerful features, operators can increase productivity and uptime and reduce the cost of operation. Whether lifting heavy implements, running a hydraulic motor, or loading heavy gravel, the 6R's powerful hydraulics can even make the toughest jobs seem easy. Up to 6 SCVs or 5 SCVs with power beyond are now available on the 6145R up to the 6215R. The valve stack has been moved further under the cab, improving operator visibility of the drawbar, which makes implement hookup easier. With a newly added high-pressure release lever, hoses are easy to disengage, even under pressure. No matter how many tasks you need to perform in a day, the 6R is all about versatility. It's built into the tractors and the loaders that go with it. With the new automatic mass latch system, you only need to make one trip on and off the tractor to attach or remove the loader. The R-Series Global Carrier features John Deere's new automatic implement latch, meaning the carrier locks quickly and easily to the attachment. With an R-Series loader on a John Deere 6R, you've got the perfect combination for getting more done. If you're ready to work in comfort and take command of your toughest jobs, visit your John Deere dealer today to learn more about the new 6R tractors and R-Series of loaders.
Farming, timing is everything, especially during planting and harvest. You expect reliability from John Deere, but things happen in the field. and you need support fast. Now with Connected Support, we're more capable than ever. When you buy a new John Deere, it's equipped with technology to alert you and us of potential issues sooner rather than later.
JD Link helps me keep tabs in my operation. I can make sure a quality job is being done and make decisions faster.
The technology behind John Deere Connected Support is advanced, but the benefits are simple. It saves you time and money.
JD Link Red Alerts notify me and my dealer instantly. That way, if there's a problem, I can stop. The dealer can then send a technician out sooner, which cuts my downtime and saves me money.
The Service Advisor Remote, I can view machine data remotely. I can diagnose the problem before I leave the dealership. That way I have the right tools and parts on my first trip. And sometimes I don't even have to make a trip. I can reprogram remotely and push software updates directly to your machine.
The Expert Alerts tool can help us monitor your machine's health and anticipate future failures, so we can schedule repairs and maintenance on your terms. The Machine Health Dashboard gives us a comprehensive overview of all your JD Link connected machines. If a technician has to make a service call, he can take care of any other issues with your fleet during the same visit, saving you time and money.
My dealer can't be in the field with me at all times, but with remote display access and JD Link, he doesn't have to be. He can view my screen and machine settings and suggest adjustments for my crop conditions.
John Deere Connected Support helps us keep you running. Ask your dealer about Connected Support today.